The ODA is, as it says on the tin, the Olympic Delivery Authority, and our job is to deliver all of the infrastructure, the construction, all the buildings, the stadia, the Olympic Village for the athletes, all the hard concrete, if you like, that goes to facilitate the actual sport itself. And then we hand that all over to LOCOG, the organising committee, which is led by Seb Coe, and then they put on the games. So the way we describe it is we build the theatre, they put on the show. And the building of the theatre has been going on now for about 3 years, and we will finish it this year in 2011, and we will have spent a bit over £7 billion in doing that, and roughly 75% of that £7 billion will still be there as buildings infrastructure in 100 years' time. So this is very much an opportunity to regenerate, an opportunity to create a new place in London.
So how, in practical terms, can small businesses get involved with the ODA's work? We've
got, I think, probably about £100 million worth of work left to let, but it could be in anything from sort of security support through to the continuing need for printing machines or facilities. When you look at our 1500 awards, 60% are what you would actually call SMEs. And then clearly within the 150 from tier 1 to tier 2 to tier 3, it is very largely built up of SMEs. And we advertise all those on a website which is called Compete For, and that is a first qualification process where a company can register what they do, what services they offer, and that they can then match that to what we're looking for, and it gets them into the loop. And LOCOG have still got probably about £300 million worth of contracts that they will be placing in the next 6 to 12 months. So the same website, London 2012 /business.com, I think it is, but go to the main London 2012 website and people can find their way through it to those opportunities.
So still about 400 million quid's worth.
About 400 million to
go. Which for a lot of small businesses is actually quite a lot of...
It's quite a lot of bread.
Well,
and that's this side of the games. And I think it's one of the things we tend to forget is that we see the games as being the culmination of everything, but in reality, the Olympic Park Legacy Company is going to be continuing the development of the Olympic Park for another 20 years. We're building 3,000 housing units. The plan is to build another 10,000 housing units in the future. We're not building commercial office space, but there are plans to build a whole series of commercial offices, hotels and other things on the Olympic Park over the next 20 years. So it's actually going to be an ongoing development opportunity for companies.